in today's episode, if you're missing a leg, you're missing the right reference points to get your leg back. So let's have a deep dive into the use case and show you how those medical dots are used to build new legs, so you don't have two again.
The AESUB retroreflective medical dots can be used on human skin, and this is one of the most important aspects when it comes to orthopedic and prosthetics. So you can just apply them on human skin, the skin doesn't get irritated, and they are perfectly made for this case.
If you can't just stick any clue markers on you, no problem, just stick the medical markers on you. If you do have any patients that need to be scanned, if they are missing limbs, or you have to put them on human skin, go for it, it's safe. So if you have to scan something on the human body and you have to apply markers on the skin, use those medical targets, they are made for it.